Welcome back, chemistry fans. Today we are going to do our first topic in the kinetics unit. So this is unit 15, but more importantly, we just started talking about how reactions actually occur. So let's investigate this with these simple questions here. I need you to first off be able to see them. So let me share my screen with you. Now we can see them, and the questions are going to take us like 1 minute at maximum. Three postulates of the of the collision theory. And the collision theory says that for a reaction to occur, for products to be created, three things have to happen. One, there has to be a collision. Well, that makes sense since it's called the collision theory. So reactants have to hit one another for there to be a reaction. Two, if they hit one another, they must have the correct the correct angle, and they must have enough speed. If you're going too fast, you'll bounce off of it. If you hit it on the wrong side, you won't cause a reaction. So you have to hit it in the right place with enough speed, and then you can cause a reaction to occur. Number two, a Maxwell-Boltzmann curve. So this is a very simple idea. It has this nice little hump here, but in fact, that hump needs to probably be a little bit more like this. What we have on the left side of the Maxwell-Boltzmann is the number of particles. And then on the bottom is energy. So this energy amount is what we need to focus on, because this is the distinguishing features for the three things that I'm asking you to place on this graph. The first thing that you must place on the graph, the most important, is the activation energy. The activation energy is the amount of energy that is required to cause the reaction to occur. Now, we have already seen that whenever we had our heats of reaction. This amount right here was the activation energy. It was how much was added to cause the reaction. Well, in the Maxwell-Boltzmann, that amount of energy is now shifted off to the side, and all the particles that we have past that are having enough energy to cause the reaction to occur. Now, there are still a lot of material that does not react left over here on the left side. Where the mode is, which is the most probable energy location, that mode, that's where most of the particles have this energy. Doesn't mean that they have enough energy, but that's where enough of the particles have some energy. Now, the average is somewhere in between these two places. So this is your average, this is your mean, if you will. And so that average is just a culmination of, you add up all the amounts, energies, and take into account the number of particles. Wherever it falls is somewhere here in the middle, average. Okay, this is everything that I wish to share with you today about your homework. Thank you very much. Talk to you again very soon. Bye-bye.